Hello students. Next one is that is basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. I gave two conditions are there, aqueous medium condition, that is in methyl groups and ethyl groups. Already I explained in previous video. So now here simple trick I will give simple trick student. Basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. Here a compound, first example 1, methylamine, dimethylamine, trimethylamine and ammonia. Four options are there: A compound methylamine, B compound dimethylamine, C compound trimethylamine, D compound is ammonia. So out of these three, which one is more, what is the order, basic strength order? This is the primary amine, this is the secondary amine, this is the tertiary amines. Secondary amine, primary amine, secondary amine. First compound is primary amine, second compound is secondary amines, third compound is tertiary amines, and fourth compound is normal ammonia. All are having one lone pair. All are having one lone pair. I gave condition. I will give. Already I gave simple trick for aqua. I gave simple trick, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium for methyl group. Methyl group. What is the trick number 2? That is 213. You remember that is trick number 2. That is 213. 213 students, that is I gave trick number 2, that is 213. What about the 2 means that is secondary is greater than, secondary amines is greater than, primary amines is greater than, tertiary amines is greater than ammonia. This is the order. So here out of these three, which one is more, what is the basic strength order given following four compound? So basic strength of ammonia in aqueous medium only for methyl group, only for methyl, this trick belongs to only for methyl group. So here what about the secondary compound, that is B compound is the secondary amines, secondary amines, that is B compound is, B is more basic strength than, and A means primary amines, A is more basic strength than tertiary amines, sorry, C means that is tertiary amines, B is more basic than A is more basic strength than C is more basic strength than ammonia. This is the simple trick student. So basic strength of amines in aqueous medium only for methyl groups. Nitrogen having, all our methyl groups are there. This nitrogen attached with methyl group is there. This NH group attached with 2 methyl groups are there. This nitrogen attached with 3 methyl groups are there. So I gave order, that is 213. That is trick number 2. That is 213. 2 means secondary. Secondary amines are more basic strength than primary amines. Primary amines are more basic than tertiary amines. Tertiary amines are more basic strength ammonia. This is only for in aqueous medium, only for methyl group. So I explained detail in previous video. This is a, you remember simple trick, that is 213, that is basic strength of ammonia in aqueous medium only for methyl groups. This is a simple trick student. That is what is the order here? 213, that is secondary amines is greater than primary amines is greater than tertiary amines is greater than that of ammonia. This is the simple trick student. Now take the another example. Basic strength of ammonia, sorry, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. Basic strength of amines in aqueous medium only for ethyl groups are there. What I said, that is if in case ethyl groups are there, compound having only ethyl groups are there, what is the condition? That is trick number 3, that is 231. That is trick number 3, that is 231. This is the condition, remember student, 231. This trick is only for compound having only ethyl groups are there, only ethyl groups. Basic strength of amines in aqueous medium only for ethyl groups, that is trick number 3, 231. 2 means secondary amines. Secondary amines are more basic than tertiary amines. Tertiary amines are more basic strength than primary amines. Primary amines are more basic strength than ammonia. So I gave example here. This NH2 group is there, all are having lone pair. This is also all are having lone pair. This all are having lone pair. Ammonia also having lone pair. So this NH2 group beside is ethyl group is there, ethyl group, that means that is the primary amines. This is the secondary amines. Second B compound having, B compound is secondary amines. Why? Because of this NH group attached with 2 ethyl groups. NH group attached with ethyl groups. 2 ethyl groups are there. Left side is ethyl group is there, right side also ethyl group. And third one, C compound having tertiary amine. This is the tertiary amine. Tertiary amines also, this nitrogen attached with same ethyl groups, 3 ethyl groups. these three all ethyl, the all are ethyl groups. What I said, that is basic strength of ammonia, basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. What I said, what is the order is, what I said order, that is 2 3 1, that trick number 3, 2 3 1. 2 3 1 means that is secondary amines, tertiary amines, primary amines. So here out of these three, which of the, out of these four, which one is the secondary amines? B compound is tertiary amines, sorry, B compound is secondary amines. So B is more basic than, B is more basic than tertiary, 3 means tertiary amines, and C is more basic strength than, after that one, A compound is more basic strength than ammonia. This is the simple tricks, you remember, these are the simple tricks for basic strength of amines in aqueous medium. That is 213, it is only for alkyl group, that is only for methyl groups 2, and these both compound having methyl and ethyl, both are having same first priority secondary amines, both are having methyl, in methyl and ethyl first priority goes to secondary amines, and second priority goes to, in methyl group first, second priority goes to primary amines in methyl group, but in ethyl group second priority goes to tertiary amine. What is the difference between, in methyl group is a smaller group, so that's why second priority goes to number 1, and ethyl group is the bulky group, so that's why second priority goes to 3, and after that 1 and 1. So this is the simple trick, student. So basic strength of amines in aqueous medium only for methyl groups, that is only for methyl group, that is only for 213, only for methyl groups, and only for ethyl groups, that is 2 3 1. This is the simple trick, student. That is methyl group is only for 213, 213, and for ethyl group that is 231. This is the simple trick, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Thank you.